Sihal nila si 108. 105 si Boss Ami Lauro.
Okay, one shot, okay na ba? Namay usa. There you have it, third place, Mr. Jackie Ramo, palay, Bukintol. Okay, here we go, for the Element Racing! Ayan. Boss Ami, una, nagpa-juno si Boss Juno. Then ikatulo si Boss Ami Lauro. Then, yeah, Boss Rudy Nadela and Manoy Jun and Enrique. There you have it. 1, 2, 3 na 2, 4, 5. 5 na lang sila sa next weekend. Ayan, still holding Rosel Gumu from Danao City, Cebu, followed by Sir Juno Villena of Motorways Racing, ACP Racing Archive, Sir Ami Lauron, and ACP Racing again, that is Rodi Nadela, and also Manu John Enriquez. Grabe, may taga-Amerika. Sir Andot, mayong hapon. Sir Andot, anak ni Sir Pipo Ruby Igsoon. Igsoon ni Sir Pipo. Taon sa kaway. Natuan ang anak ni Boss Pipo. Igsoon niya eh. Ayaw magsumbong ha? Sumbong niya! Sumbong niya! Ayaw taon pagsumbong. Rosel Gumog now still leading, followed by Sir Ami Lauron, ACP Racing Carcar, and Rodi Nadela for the third, ACP Racing and Liberal Racing, and also Manu John Enriquez. We have now on the starting gate with the 14 below, and now production open, waiting area. Production open, waiting area. Still holding the first barrel, nangunguna barrel, Rosel Gumug, followed by ACP Racing Carcar, Mr. Ami Lauron, and also, oh, Rodi, asa kay? Pagdaan mga anak. Rosel Gumug, ACP Racing for the second, Sir Ami Lauron, and Rodi Nadela for the third, Manu John Enriquez for the fourth. Yan, John Villena. Wow, dalawa. Tao pa rin. Ha? Oo nga, nag-refresh pa. Dalawa. O na ito, MX Laked. Murag endurance. Dalawa po sa amin. Hala. Jupi Rosel Gumug of Danao, followed by ACP Racing Carcar, Boss Engineer Ami Lauron. Manay tulog si Boss Rudy, nagsayahay pa! Dalawa! Nagsayahay man ito ah!
Tabi ang dohay, tabi!
Dalawa! Mahulong na rin, magtagay na rin!
Tagay!
Yan na yung tubig ko eh! Lagi mahulong nyo rin mga parit! Hulong na mga pi! Juno Villena of Motorways Racing for the fourth position. Oh, Danao!
Busami! Nakutuwan mo sa unang Busami!
Okay, Busami! Listo! Second niyo! Nagana ninyo! Jow! Nagana Jow! Ay, nanadin!
Busami! Bangon! Busami! Bangon!
Oh, ayaw tayo strider ha. Ayaw tayo strider ha. Okay, okay, sige.
Usame.
White flag is up for Rosel Gumab. White flag is up.
Piyansa ni Usame, piang na bata. Atong piang na malunhat gani.
Okay, wala ito mga MX Lopez. Tanawa. Usame still holding the second place.
Wanay kusog Usame. Slide na. Usame. Tumpang yun. Tabi lang, tabi. First na.
There you have it. Si Sir Otin from Danao.
Walas na dila, napahuway na. Patay na motor. Injury man duha.
Asa na sa mga Rudy?
Amay na dila. Ano?
Boss Rudy, where are you?
Ano?
Asa na hindi na? Dapat dito. Tama. Down payment, 200 square meters. Dito na. Tara. Chicken flag is okay. There goes Ami, second. Congratulations. ACP Racing Car goes Ami na run for the second. Alright, this is ladies for the